I am so bored. All I've been doing is listening to this stupid clock on TikTok. I wish I could smash it on the ground right now. Ow! My eye hurts! Excuse me for a second. Okay, I'm better now. I hope. I wish I had someone that cared for me in my house. I'll get fish that swim in water, not in air. Well, that would be weird, like floating in the air. So, like, I'm gonna go see if I can get another pet. I can get another pet. Let me find the closest pet shop from here. Okay, so there is one. There's one called One Stop Pet Shop, which is not that far from here, I guess. Like, yeah, I'm gonna go there. Bye! I don't know which pet to get. Maybe you can tell me in the comments below before I get the pet. Okay, so we have Arrive at the pet shop. And they have separated into air, land, and water creatures. So in the land one, there's this koala bear, and then there's this big globby pig. Alright, for water, they have this two froggy. There's a red and a yellow one. I've never seen a red frog before. Then they have this otter right there, and my nose is pointing. Then they have this beaver, and then there's like a little fish in there. Oh, maybe I might want to get that. I'm gonna get that. And then they have, oops, it's big like fish tank with like all these big creatures. There's like starfish and crab and lobster and octopus. Who has an octopus pet? That's just weird. And for air, there's this gross ladybug. Move out of the way, bird. And then wait, this is a bird. Squawk! Quack! Quack! Okay, no, I'm not kidding. And this is a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Okay, no one has a duck pen. Oh, wow, two little birds. Hey, this is a fake tree. It's plastic. Tweet, 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 tweet. They're so same. I think they might be pets. I mean, twins. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Yeah. Oh, I want to get these birds. Can I get these birds, please? Yeah, sure. Can I also get the trees? Yeah, the tree things, they're like free, they're made of plastic, so yeah. Okay, so I just paid them. It was easy, so. Come on, guys, you're mine now. Okay, so the thing told me how you can stack these birds on top of each other. It's just so cool. I'm gonna put you guys right here. If you want, you guys can explore the house. Wow! Oh. Okay, so you guys can explore now if you want. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. They're going upstairs. I better follow them. Tweet, 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 tweet. Oh no, they fell into the drinking cup. Oh dear me. You guys okay? I don't know. Tweet, 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 tweet. going? On the TV. Tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet. You guys are fast flyers. I followed you around the whole house. Okay, so now I guess you guys will just stay there and sleep. So, good night. Good night, little birds. Hope you have a good sleep.